Darling, I bought you another swing because the other one I bought you was a little bit too high for you. So this one, I wanted to buy you £200. I was ready to pay. I saw that is the end of season. They're giving it for £130, which is around $200 against the $300 of the original price. So this is this swing, and let's just open it. Ooh, can I see it? Oh, look at that. That's folding. That's even better than the other one. I should buy another one of this. Oh, look at that. And the cushion. I wonder it has a cover also, maybe. Ooh. Look, that's the folding style. It's like a bird cage from this side, at least.
I look season now.
Yeah. And I think these are the instructions. Okay. Before you start. So you put this footing on. Then you attach the top part. Then chain. Then the seat. Then you attach the back of the seat. What's that red thing? Does it have a cover? Oh, look at that. Then when you finish, you can fold it up. Oh, it's lovely. That's the instructions. Oh, what is that? That's
Well, I
the red
don't know.
part.
We need the scissors to tighten a knot.
Oh, what's that?
No, they're the hooks. Yeah.
Oh, this is
The
the
joints and the hooks. Spring hooks.
Oh, even if that's a tool
It
for
has
you.
its own tools. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
got all
that's
its own little
nice.
tools. And everything looks like it's coded, so you follow the
Yeah,
code.
you follow the instructions.
Yeah, oh my goodness, it's like
And these are
like
the
here, isn't it?
joints you have to join together.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay, 6 of these screws are used here. 2 here, 2 on the other side, and 2 here. Now these 4 legs go attached to this footing. Then these legs go in, then these screws attach it like that. Then this end's also attached. The end should be like that, so they touch the ground. So this plastic will be in the ground, but not the metal. And we do that for all the remaining 3 legs. That's the way up to now it looks like. And that's the way it looks like. It's massive. And when you attach this top part, then you have to fix 2 screws here. Okay, then we attach the chain to this hook, and then this hook to here. This is the one which will attach our seat. Now this is the time to attach the seat through this hook to this hook, and that's the result. Okay, this is the stage to use this rope to harness this to here if you want to harness it. You use this screw and this hook here to actually make it connect better if you feel you need it. You may just say that you don't need this. You can remove it if you don't want. That's the end product. So you can remove the harness because she wanted to not to have the harness. So I removed it for her. Is it better without harness, huh? How is the seat? Is it low enough for you to sit easily?
Yeah, it is. I'm too little, so my feet goes. But yeah, it's a lot of fun.
It's quite substantial.